Hello, friends. Well, it's another fun day here at Art by Sparkle. And why, you ask? I got a package from Kelly at Feral Art, and I wanted to unbox it today so you could see what it is. I know it's a painting, and I know it's a pour that she did quite a while ago. And when I saw it, I said, I need to have that piece. It's going to go up on my favorite artist's wall. I'll have her little name there in sparkles, and so she'll have a special place on that wall. Okay, so let's see what we've got. I'll take it out of the box and then undo the rest of it. Hello, bubble wrap. Thanks, Kelly. All right, let's see. It feels round. I love round canvases. All right, I am going to put the camera down so you all can see it when I see it. Hold on. Okay, it's sort of peeking through, but I'm not gonna look at it yet. We're gonna turn it over and get this bubble wrap off of here. Nice wrapping, Kelly. Ooh. Kelly Stoll, 2023. Okay, are we ready? Ah! Oh my. Oh my goodness. Look how beautiful this is. Oh, that pearly blue. And this, I think, is burgundy. Look at those cells. Oh, goodness. Kelly, this is beautiful. It's every bit as beautiful as I remember. Look at those cells. Look at that shimmer. And I think she varnished it and did an amazing job. Oh, I love it. I love it, and I love you. Thanks so much, Kelly. This is absolutely gorgeous. That shimmer is incredible. I have to give you another close-up here. That background, it's like, it's a mixture of black and that burgundy. I'm gonna have to go back and watch the video so I can see what she used to create this. And it's on one of these boards, although this is a canvas, and it's a Convexo board, which I love. Oh, I love it, Kelly. Thank you so much, honey. I will have her link down in the description box. So please go do yourself a favor and go and watch her videos. She does 100-day challenge where she picks a word out of a box or a hat or whatever, And then she uses that word to create something. And all of these words that she's picked go on a canvas. So they've been really unique. And the other thing that she recently started doing, which I love watching, is her meditation art, where she just has some really nice music and she's painting on a canvas, and it's a wonderful time to relax and watch the magic happen. You do so great with that, Kelly, as with your other pours. She's on Sundays also in a train with Mina Villegas Art, Brian from Studio 15 Acrylics, Nate Bright, and that's on Sundays starting at 10 in the morning with Mina Villegas. And I believe her, I might get this wrong, but I think her 100-day challenge is on Fridays, and then she also does videos, I believe, on Wednesday. So don't shoot me if I'm wrong, but you'll be able to determine that when you go and check out her site. She also has a wonderful website, so please make sure you check her out. Thanks again, Kelly. Love you, girlfriend. Y'all have a great day. And remember, keep your sparkle on and give it to someone you love. Bye-bye.